Welcome, guys. Where's the prep? Oh, okay, I see.
Literally, is the prep.
It wasn't a prep, this week. Wait, man.
Oh, I repent.
Oh, prep ya mi aidi.
Una prep me.
Oh, una pep na prep. Prep nibyo. And if you eat like
what does it do? And people are complaining
that's what you don't have to know to drink it for you to know it.
No, but I'm not interested.
Una pep na prep. After kana ingwe before.
Oh.
Okay, prep could be the one year before because they going to prepare.
Whatever.
Little curry prepare.
You going to prepare.
So it's basically that actually. Or you might go to prepare. So no do come down HIV.
Hey, nikudiru gisela.
Hey, but wana chito yo.
And then pepo ndimsi no mubona.
Ndiwanga pepo apala zingo tomo baji tongo.
Mabuzi oima. Na fazari what?
Yes. No, I wanted to show you this other video, man. I saw something so disturbing.
And but where needs he play the video when you
Oh yeah, I saw the I TikTok all the time.
Same.
I saw the most disturbing video, bro.
Ndiani.
Atiba Devi, this other guy. Yeah, I'll play it for them. They will see they attach. I'm sure you saw it.
Oh, don't even wanna.
Bruh.
And this is what they do, hey? This is what men do.
Now I understand why you guys hate us.
We hate you guys so much because I need invasion of privacy. Like honestly. This is why we don't like you guys. This is not new. Every girl that saw that was not shocked. I'm sure Jonathan come when
I was so shocked, bro. Like, okay, do you think this thing unisex toilets ikushuma in public? Because I get Ryan or Roterishimsa unisex toilet. But then do you think in public it works?
I don't think it should work also.
Because I feel like it was the case here.
No, can you see?
No, but I feel like the guy, if you've seen toilets that are public,
I'm waiting for you.
No, like remember, Chiboni mostly Chiapalati. Then there's like a wall. Then toilets are always behind the wall. So the guy seems like ungangomu toilet already. So
that looks like over. Do you get what I'm saying? It looks like over. Zitonga za.
Oh, more like omubona.
No, no, coffee midrand.
Matidio bathroom.
Okay.
Oh, don't know. Yeah, uzona line.
Uzona line, so apala line ni wanu kuitwa yesh. So ani bona niko jena ukudunile ni jiva. Do you get what I'm saying? Nishko tamba jando kunibona. So basically, ola ako vange ini niko vange. You can see each other. So yes, the unisex thing is wrong, but men are just disrespectful in general.
Like I get it, they're disrespectful in generality, but then if you could feel a man would come into the female bathroom and rape, why you could want to a chance to azite freely with a unisex toilet? Also,
public toilets should have security.
Right.
Oh, okay. Ngaman there's a groove. Because
everyone is always tipsy, drunk, whatever.
Go there. Nichiva, acheka, still like also hygiene wise and stuff. So I don't think it makes sense.
Yes. I just realized it's so easy to get raped, eh? And
also apparently he's a pastor or whatever.
This guy.
You see the comments? Yeah, I saw in the comments.
I saw it there also.
This is Pastor Mang Mang. This is what? Obviously he's a husband if he's a pastor. Isn't that worse?
That was
what would you prefer? Like if
I know what your cuisine is gonna be.
Okay.
No, it was because Nane Okay, it was say.
You go through your girl's phone. No, ruko John. Anyone leads one look at I don't get it. Okay. Oh, it makes sense because I'm the light of the world, so we don't need it.
Let's do this. Well, okay. I go through.
Oh, let me do it. You go through your girl's phone, see? No, which one would hurt the most? Obviously,
wait. nori ungakuluveredziwa you mean
like boys after her like vakomutoda
okay, I feel like
havana umwana akonotetemera uri kafare fonu
kai choice ndingananga yori mina kave nonokuluveredziwa but I thought the question was gonna be like ndingananga mini between or okay you go through your woman's phone ava busy every time akamusi avadeva kodi one and then also avanaone avakutohaniwela zva vukuma fe hey zodibvisa kane like would you rather have someone ane ako ndotakela uri like into complicated ngori nikohana ningotakela uri ukohaniwa mara still ukuambisa vatu kana kuluveredza so I'm like
mara zvikwine mara ndivononga ndiyo neni ndakamulichapo
nimulichaka dzose
ari ndomuona hai hange at least uva na game kandimulichapo neakuhaniwa ngori ungonjenzera mato that's even worse bra
achikodzitendiwa
it's worse because
so ugotendiwa natakalo
game at least women at least ukovoniwa vamwe vakovona zvinoenda kovona zvino zviyamburi zvinonenda kovona
because they know you are there you never know
what
where mtu ngorona mtu
ndingamuwana
exactly mara ningozvifa ndingazimhani ndotozviwani chiri
no but ndingamuwana
really
why not okay utomokubera mini
because amulo mtu ane unoyanembisa na mtu atikomumbura shem
anidhi mtu unokabisawo ili
yeah but lidhoona kunithought speaking of that man unaivo comment ndaririplaikitakone chiri mauti achikupanda akaamba chikona kwechini afula
but I appreciate them guys thank you if you think hanyika YouTube tizikovuya kana katiktok
udzikobuyesa let's go through your DM
mara angovara
what do you mean atikobara
Kwamburi, you're not going to read them
out okay I get it
just read them in general right
I don't even want to see I just want to see the guys the people that are there dude why need you go to more
imani ndiyo ndonisumbedza ndoifara
Instagram FSS but then
the request okay let me show you brightness these are requests right
dude when you go explain nah ndikasita chirwari no request tonga I've seen
request I've seen
mara nisongovhura
I know dzenda dzivhura ndizine tukunge kudzipindura
it's just one day ago
you think I'm playing
hey guys are thirsty out there yes
do you understand how many requests are there ningozibona ndikadislida ne
I'll pretty palisa apendika dislide okay ndika 3 days ago mara hey
emuna and una vamwe vanokododovolola vane atitupindura havana hedzi dzanomaladza everyday dzine idzi
ava ndi vane vapindura va
vaindi are thank you like most of them are girls you can see
yeah ndikozvivona hey
so I'm just saying uri nezviva zvikontaisa because ndonodhowera it's just
I'm like every day
mara I appreciate it guys it's cool I'm not
complaining appreciate the way nakamangenzeri
no ndikutohamba
you need to show I really appreciate this
vadoronama
anyways coming at you live from Panda Studios guys niyazdiva hapa ndio unaradhareta zvo zva dangerous one the quality neyavaone you know we always give you the best and then also if you want to contact them for the live stream not just podcast but vane live stream ledzimfuna veo yeah kavone vako kavane vadhere vamwarisa chibuku cha MR21 vakuita niri vane amberi namaginya anitire dzidili dzapasi chapfesesa chaine chigwena achidini imtu naantu so nitent you can contact them on 010-023-2939 or info@pandastudios.com ndosiya mini never one around ndotumanga for now yeah vaona na 38 Mille Street Bramfontein but then bado vaona na South Africa because they are worldwide no it's not worldwide what countrywide nationwide countrywide wait not countrywide
I don't know bro just don't say it okay.
No man
stop reasoning it it's okay don't say it
okay Venda of mean region wide sort of
village wide
okay makes sense yeah
it goes river Venda the country guys
yeah I feel like we are going back there bit by bit ndikotomozvipa for kotu and then also
sooner or later
not even later very soon soon and very soon
atikodonibvumela I don't have time for no
yeah so This episode is brought to you by MR21. You know,
Yes.
the guys were never revealed last week, and then none of you won that 1,000.
Wait, ndobona bo poster chipato ndihone phala kana ndi what it's gonna be.
It's what it's gonna be. That's what we're talking about now, Kobo. Richiri, uko pati wanzo. Mara yono toma.
Exactly like what he posted.
Yes.
That's beautiful.
That's what I go.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, boy. When I fell tower na glass nyana.
I saw
a balcony. Doing a studio.
And the studio is also wait. Ntama bogis there in Tanto. Damn. Why are you going to wear some points in that show? Where's the shoot?
As I'm on the tan, China landscaping you on it.
It looks really nice. Who compared?
Worry. Probably before June. Wait, June is coming now.
June the next month. Really? Remember the picture that he
posted when I went there
is what it looks like now.
Yeah, no. Okay. Remember that's an animated thing. Yeah. Wait, is it on Mutane Unatumbuso? Zokotama out of nowhere.
Remember in the Venda?
How
the food was not nice.
Oh.
So I've been craving stuff.
Do you eat crepes? Why not? They were not there, or you didn't feel like them?
I kept on eating bad food, and then by chance, I only had one restaurant in Dallas. So I was like, you know what? I just want to eat. And there was another one. The food was good, but it was very expensive, and the portion was small.
Oh,
it was like super expensive, like super.
Yeah, we're gonna have to come back to that. That's the cost. So as I was still, why was don't know? People know you have money, man.
Oh yeah, I don't have money, but that's why I don't want people to think I have money.
Okay,
I don't.
You know how to survive then.
Yeah.
So they need to know how
I know
to survive.
I know how to eat my savings. Yeah. Why not?
I was
no problem, guys. Like, I don't get why we need to. Blush, I mean, no, show me, because I showed you my DMs. No.
The prep. No, you thought about this. No slide.
Because you know where it was.
Anime. What for?
It doesn't get chance to know it's again. It doesn't get chance. Hey, no, it's like, you're such a horrible person.
Losing a loved one, you know, is never easy. At MR21 Services, we understand the importance of celebrating life with respect, care, and personalized attention. So what we offer at MR21 is compassionate care, like I said, customized services, affordable options. What's affordable?
What's affordable options for a funeral? Oh, actually, living on Wednesday.
Okay, I am a funeral in general. Oh, I need to a business. That's it. Don't know. Why is this a
shoot at the phone?
Mara, this is a speaker.
Go shoot at the phone. Hey, person with.
Even message is a speaker.
What's the message? Your person.
How old message?
No, the guy that called.
I did. It was a loudspeaker.
It wasn't.
Guys, I'm sure we'll move forward
tomorrow. And go phone and need to rasa.
Anyways, what's affordable? Would you pay 200K for a funeral?
Yeah, I would. Okay. I think it's affordable. No, not now. Already, almost 40, 50.
70.
You get what I'm saying? Bogis in alone 70. So already want something you was. What do you mean 250?
No, I meant to just not a funeral.
Oh, you mean gay? I already yes, because already 150. Okay, tombona bugisa ajotangana vitu want something.
Yeah, so 200 is affordable.
Which you jena zigoro ina zlozo dinner and whatever zigoro is oprekeza bafu heshe. Tubone heshe but obi wa bugisa ngantani wona.
Which you mean?
Like a two-leg.
That's not space.
No, empty kaka heshe. And it was in Venda. I don't know where I can get that picture. No isumbezo na msimshumo. Ati David.
We go find style, right? Go find style. MR21 kaya adopt a style, you know. So yeah, they also offer 24/7 support. So anytime now, you know, ninga cheka na wado fara na wafonera. Ni phone nanga 12. Riyaga mtumtia wa phone nanga 12. Attest to farana. Arkunyaga sponsor Joswipa.
Eva pen phone number. Mtu aba buzzing one pass.
No, so phone number is 24/7 061 509 0775, or you can contact them on their office number is 015 151 0251 or 0252.
No,
it was easy. This is not going ndela zvine macheredo andichazidiva mara ndadziita zvino nambusa in and out nganiudza dzona mara machero ndingasedzera.
But then if rekodamba nga affordability, I think ngori rotoma ka 200 we need to take it down, you know, ngori tivari affordable.
I'll give you the prices
for other people, because mwe muthu udodzula aihumbura for ndopfa vakuri 200 we can't afford that. Yeah. So like yeah, but then I think also the best way to join the insurance claim, the funeral.
You never know, maybe in the January and 3 months now not save blind.
How about saving?
Mara waiting period. Okay, after waiting 3 months after waiting period. But do rabala batuzin.
Mara the investment.
I know it's an investment, mara waiting period they also atonga ewe kurani. How long to go actually is coming.
Niba wana na togo mere na make sure bako na zipirisi 6 months. Never niko to said the investment yamo no to buy research.
Mara business thing when they need to be ready for that.
No zandaka yamo uri ichito to because I dream.
Isto 6 months na zumba pirisi.
That is not funny.
Why?
No.
Do you know what happened? Guys?
It's such a bad thing to say.
Okay, sorry.
Because that's basically like murder.
But then that was your plan. Ini awula mtu nishito wangwani. So no mblori hai.
No, ndibandi kuba monori bako yerera zviamba ndari.
Jambo nani ndabafuni.
Ndari basa. No, andi abafuna utobori bako doloba anyway whether ndiyawangwani sakati wangwani siba
Why wangwani before?
Before
the fact you already thought of someone and ukoroba. When someone jinsa gym ratwana and una 16, you know they could still live like 50 years.
Andi durediwa.
Uchi bola.
Ndiko mburumanda do badeshwe chilafu.
Aroba nga
Harobane.
Udo starachi last benefits.
No, aivi iava. Yamusi
iava. Remember you are them.
In the funeral lanto as a life.
Marigo de urungaini. Also, I know the life cover thing na me. Mara funeral. Maginya. Funeral ya vera mnewayo.
Yeah, very.
Because what's the whole point? You're in the chair or better chair.
No, anyone. My chat is ndangwalisa mutuku. Ane ukodoloba kale ukodotomoloba ne. What happens to it?
Where turn to?
Iliwangola.
Kara una inodos. Remember funeral ndio bulunga. So initially so this is the
una mtu visa yote. Zia visa yote vlasho.
I don't know, mara the way inazashimanga yo vlasho.
Ubindulanga.
So
I don't know. I don't think that visa yote.
Itani ine abana life insurance if ngunya udori watu vanga watu vadosara sorted na mina
chibuku chazara chichitambo chiyapanda
hey guys nazvo zvodingwarisa zvarufu zviya depress kava vhure nantu
anina insurance assistance
ndino kava ngwarisa
ngeni pa uma okay
yamini yanga yamini
okay funeral na life cover nazote kana na sti na mimi
na funeral na investment kana at the
nekane investment yowera ka.
Remember my mom works with these things, so I have all the at the ndina minimum ndinasho.
Oh, so what's going ngwalisa chimwana chimwe.
Ndito napunde ndito zvipa ngori you get what I'm saying. But I'm saying how do yabachita na dzi policy kana dzi insurance dza party dza micimbi tivana arumbi
hani zvabudhi
ndava ndikamsi ndikodozvinga zvo zvinodadha zvondikodofara 13 ndava ndikubvisa ngamwedzi.
I get what you mean.
Now 100 and something throw a huge party. Why should we only prepare for death, not for good times?
And then now party satusvika
yambulunga easy. No ndi muthu mtsuna company mbiri right ndiko investor ngafa ndalova iko yange
concurrently remember
ndava ndiko lengolova yangitela party
apadzishumiso ingwana registration number yo as a group uti but then yeah guys if also ngonya kuita wana physically wewe ni sina WhatsApp ni sina time na mimi mara nayo namela or you can walk una baona nafika a piece I saw that thing ndiapali inanuko ambaye last week yeah ufi ndichikudini a piece Kawaii City Complex so inepala opposite Rekhoto
nichitopera yana kona yo Jena Dar es Salaam niko yange. It's on the
nishitobona dzikhu opposite not rosads yeah so
I think ipingingana
yeah mara tizvo mvura dziko dina vatu uko dzitsuka
iko diba pitch
Hey, ukukuluwa. Not your rebuilding, ukukuluwa. Nindaona yabonza.
Avonera vatu vosponsoring.
Wait. Ichi sponsor acho. Okay, here's the thing. Sponsor acho does you something bad happens. Nereti yosokofumula.
Ovika mzi chitumbu chowa
chavumuluwa chajena mlamboni. Kaesh. Like that's news.
Rahumula.
Now we're like, this is Rashi. Ngasi chidichi. Chitumbu. The newspapers doesn't go wala. No, rekoda shambor. Yo, man. Nos first day MR21. Neso koresh. Company show wisa mutu, man.
Rabafone va justify uri hai. Hola mtu akulida chikuna.
Akoshava ngori.
Chikuna.
Hanor offer. And ba war offer kari mu Burundi. So achimonya ngotsa. So anyways, and then I wanted us to speak about it.
That's so dumb.
I don't know who I've spoken to about this thing. Marayari, I think Naindro Noyambanga also in previous episodes, how people don't respect their craft Venda. I think unachimachera mbanga zori rukambanga mizo uri vatu avajisu zvavosera
break namusa.
No, it's fine. No, ndakunyota amori zila zuri usa drop out if zikai if this your record label chimeshpinga uba wene munhu asiko respect your craft. And then we spoke about this also with some guests. So ndandikomula the whole thing ya Gemini. Have you noticed Duri Gemini is no longer with Go Down recently?
I never seen it.
What happened there?
I have no idea.
Because
Mara, he was just employed. He probably got another job.
Where though? But because he's not doing anything. Because his job is there online. Ini.
Why is it 10?
Niko rambar ini nkombango.
No, I've noticed now that you're saying it.
Yeah.
Okay, namusi asiyoka Go Down. Otopumura like upumura. Tiko mubona peru.
Okay, I saw him kazi giginyana recently urukadiwa mara zuko tomo pungudze nazo. And then also there was another post that I saw it. Utori watu mutwane womusemo rengopen cause akombofi no Gemini went to this other podcast ashkamba zvipiri zvavatu zvino vakumuvhaira nganda achade zvorikuita mini so
mara achidava okuza Go Down
no ukotambori or automorana the artist so the artist dzikomuvharira kind of
the only artist ine onoshuma nayo ndi Rude Kid.
Mukamba remember what zvanga
zvilo zvake boys zvamba
zvanga zvezvila na
mara vakumuvharira guy.
You never know.
Do they have a song with him? No.
Nah, they don't. Why mubuka kamusi? Remember also uvarela zvitu uafazambori going to verka suzvanga. Ninorali so. Ndani ko universe ndikwa kama ginya ndaro.
Disante kirdo garsalikana.
Ndikwa kama ginya ndare uafasa ngocheta mini. Ndayaka alu orali. Ndaro uafasa ngocheta mini. Ndayaka Fistos. If he's my friend more than your friend.
Fistos obia achumubuka Gemini. Mumbura ila birthday. Oba one Gemini. Arimubudzisi uri why asichamubuka.
Ivani kumufonera nemutandi kwamba. Uri zvinokuita yakezviti avala petu ukambofi oyarwa navantu namini. So vatu vadingela zo ngava kozitemeterenya nakasitonga stoke then eventually vamubva vote. And then also remember with Rude Kid ushimana mutro apira until maybe achingawana something chinyanga chiita also. So hola mtu zvendapfani nezvino ngonanda kusaimwa vati uri hey nahola mtu ugai na Go Down because he was pushing them nami then odoropa
aiko jena nyomvona yako
aufe aiko jena uve ana data
azvikona dze
kwano mi ofa kole wazapisa kujina makuita mi
azvikona dze uve apetwa zina network
uva zina data wa coffee network izane kala speaker niwe apa
mngani
na
also he is a gig now so why ngumubuka
rikoshuta ati hoyiwa udza akungambira ngantanga okay rikonyago budzisa ati ini nga birthday yanu last year nanobuka Gemini right mulwane
mtu wakosokose
nanobuka
nanobuka mizo na musa keys.
Yeah, he mentioned it.
He just performed. He just sang you happy birthday, ne, for vibes, because you guys are like that.
Yeah, we tied like that.
What do we what?
We tied like that.
Oh.
Wait, so the question is, because Hachina, he's not with Go Down anymore, allegedly. So,
not even allegedly.
Okay, it's fine.
Hachina Go Down.
So, uko findinga uri oyaka podcast amba zvipirizo watu so watu wako mu gatekeeper so wako mu vaira dzindi.
No, that's not for Go Down. That's for the
for music.
For the
artist. Do you think that's true?
That is gigging. I don't think I'm supposed to go there.
Right?
Exactly.
No.
Open that thing. I just said I read a post. Do you listen to everything kana nyango for 30% yazvo too? As long as you pass mark
Oh, yeah,
ya Venda.
I saw that post too.
Muthu ona chikosemiwa also ngavatu rewind
Vatu vachikomosema.
Hey,
Yeah, nani ndikofunga like the person was saying
drop
nonsense.
ani repedzisa.
Okay, Murane, sharp, rorivo.
Depends on people's understanding.
Ufimini?
Or drop.
I'm saying it depends on people's understanding and knowledge.
Yes. Hai, rorivo eza koti yatu. Sharp.
Futhi yanyumba. Chifinchi kwenu. Oh. No, delombola. Oh, then how come okay, so ready out. Apparently Jamin Agoshuma, Sharpu na go down, he was doing everything. And then in December, out of nowhere, I was cha 1 hour because he had bookings. Remember Umshumon?
Oh, yeah.
He had bookings. Abakudira zvaitezi vachimufonera kuti ngava someone. Muthu wamba
Unoperforma ngamasiari because go down it push ngamasiari.
you never know. Maybe we push throughout. We don't know the terms, the
Ningarekisa
contract.
go down usiku.
But many of our one because apparently it works with that also.
Oh, naile do about dana ya vile clock. Ani wait chira ini ngoni influencers too.
That don't mean no about that one. Yeah, so mutombudzo dhoropa ndiro mushimona. So zeti okay. Abakofona siyawana and then afiwa akutomofona driver, the manager. Of which also there's another thing. Apparently Jamie akoni no post that chitoka Facebook. Driver does everything.
That's not true. Like urakono ngwana. Type.
Not to type, maybe akono
Press up, send, post.
at the
Elaborate.
No, don't elaborate.
I think he's illiterate.
No, it's not.
So,
Remember,
uchifika kono post okufimi. And I don't want to Venda.
And then also remember, ningana channel yo monetize wati. So all those things, this it's a step by step process. Anga say face no it is one it. So drive also ndabona when clip ya driver na achikamba kanga podcast story. No, netite vla zvetu mini nendi la chede yanga na mini ushima findi oh first nese to admin. So
Admin ya nese.
Hey, Makinya, ordomita.
I am enjoying this.
No, but it's facts though. Okay, guys. We're going to we're giving you everything raw. Our commuter sheet. So our come of it. Driver is taking driver. Okay, so I'm like, do you think this one is where the driver is controlling everything and ugo kono monetize it?
Then maybe which makes sense. Driver mean driver yawe.
As a driver yawe.
Why did you driver mara nese? Driver yawe. I'm so confused.
There's no page near Jamin. It's always Vadauna driver. Like
Nijiri driver. Oh, driver is a person.
It isn't allowed.
Not Uri the driver.
No, as a driver.
You road manager.
No.
Okay.
Of which he is though. Hey.
And ariko ya ramufa airtime.
So
Atanga
lenga dovantone perere yange. Ndibufi perere.
Yeah, midrande. Did you see that Noyarin? No ibonela restaurant ritsinayo.
Ndandika restaurant ritsinayo. Ndasonga perere ndatanza dzina laila.
Zoz.
Eh.
Nani anefala?
Ndandi anefala.
It's amazing.
Yeah, you're knocking a man.
Beautiful.
It gives.
Yes.
Yeah, so happy today. Ndikufunga ndidi nwangende lanchuri. Chungana Gemini has nothing on his name. Chungana chwendi jaba dawa na driver. So zobotongari
hola the page athendi muthu usina.
Cause uko the bill. Na ini ndonya kwetezere into wapfa na Gemini.
Eyo.
Vadawa na wapfa.
Why?
Ngori ndizwe driver ita.
Nah, never see it.
But then hopefully it was right. And then also, if you happen to go down, what happened is that also Scar, he went AWOL. I was chawanara.
Maybe they weren't paying him well.
Of which Rangasir Kabuya that and Arafon a driver.
Exactly. Just call someone.
Today we finally get to call someone.
Don't you think he was happy when he did the podcast with the payments and stuff? Because
The guy was happy with everything. Ribo for Jemendi Mtomurwan, not Mutumurwan, which word am I trying to use? Ori, he became a bigger brand, with Go Down also. Because in as much as I got this brand, and with Go Down, about push it out, make a sure so I'm sure not
maybe automo calculators sales. Kana singo shiri wa calculator sales.
Ubatu banebo mtusa kana driver.
Initially you comes you vindi
yeah, and it was online like a minute ago.
rine vatorina nalasini ngoti
Why is my... Hey, driver. Ni right, varimi.
yano ilow hey
Ni right. Ema kinyani kupfala? Ufiki kupfala. Eba tutumeni moto. Hey, dziko buya nyana, pari kunya kupfesa uri driver wayo ntu. Jemi nikuita mini na go down. Ufi nikola na cherede. Tidivi ngo. Ende tina zi page ziko rano wanga ino. Ufi ndi nino monetize chimwe na chimwe. Mfana ako ya la chitu. Ena ako tudishimo dinuera go down.
Zone. Zona wanu zori. Account ya Facebook. Imana juanga na ndi admin. Una personal account yao. Na ndi admin. Zote kila account was dio. See? Chalede. Ini Raiwan. See? Kacho aitachuni 10%.
Oh, ni jacha fumi.
10%.
Yeah. Ngamudi mzimu.
Then go down and I'm not going to charge go down, but resilient and I'm go down. It was Shawamba.
Mara ini sa manager ona site into. Nan sa manager chimwe na deal zina zitana go down uroite mini.
Delay go down then it's your car. It was very all muna chona watu go down. Other ambuzo kwa wana watu go down. Then mara kunya kushona. And then I have a problem as long as ne zaka kisemu shimwanga na because then into the weekend.
Oh.
Then nga weekend near the consumer na spana zone.
Jambo zingazoredzana nepo avala vachivo mutodana nga weekend. Inini chivo mutodana kukatevege.
go down earrings wapsiku go down earrings wapsiku shit
Go down you wanna then
so baba ku expect ora ashume 24 hours
Uri expect mini asmafunga chipinga bobo kamsungana dzirizi nzawo chipinga wana wachi
Mara Jimmy ni Brian, I'm sure no ni budza. Ini oni budza mimi.
oro tuwera mini nino yodiburo adora pa phone number
Renato da Jimmy.
Yeah, there phone number dzawo straight na antarucha zeni ndishabu amba kanya mafunga watu.
Oh, mara unazva ni budza ti?
Era kanga dilinde ndisiyo.
Ndikotambore zvino otuona zvani budza ti uri hai. Driver ndikotwala to abakuita zvone.
Asa mtu aina mune udhi wakombori. Unazvinga musiratisana zva priority yonguzwana. So ndizo zvinambudza zvondo nevo ndiva ndisina manda uta ndikoamba mafunga mutu. Kusira zvinena tisokayo. Abatu patiro banda chitwa jasa koma na vanga ngopesa.
Abe mutu ambudza vokwata lungwa chipombudza uri abe na driver sinese ndi admin mimi ndotori mafungo nini nonokwata so.
Eva ndofina fukola chede ngamini.
Ofini kola zcherede zote ni.
Ela sumarangu suna Kingsley na inaralai. Ola mpira ndi sio tunyanga zisikolo. Zikolo ruzibezo so mawana bati. Ngompeza.
Ngizondani uzara driver sio Gemini kuni.
hako nungwala
Wakolo ngwala zitwa sikolo. Ngompeza. Utobari unangozvinena musara mtu manager. Nyazvozo kuchipinga chete zitwanga zisikolo. Ngompeza.
mara uyu mutu anakuamba okwata uko mukakera ene ngori achivori ene anese mini ndiro uyu mutu anakuamba uko kakera ene ngori achivori ene anese
Zonese ni mini.
ambudze nandi tikopfesesa
Ngatikomena zonese zvikudala view.
ambudze nandi ndikutomangala uri zvikojena gai exactly
Comes but was zimori.
vathu vatofunesa mafungo a vathu
Ndito zdiwa voti ngorivo ndiani diva. Mara
Gemini hari tomuvutise nemune dzireason dzawo
wakusakunosenda in case ndava ndisichenadzo mara tonga ndinadzo. Tanko.
rolivuwa ne
Ini chivotombedzera zvavunese inini dorwiwa ma.
no nopfa ini nozviyamba zvimaisa ndoyaklarity
Ini yabona.
vari mioni yabora utokodipandela mioni ouyabudza nyori ndinesa
No, atikela zvodhasoti. Nenambore. No, raivze zvodhisano rela zvozviyambiwa. Akutsikoda fit driver sinese. Nenarikambori. No, driver ndiyamudiva. Ushimachidzi ndinesa ngidera kurofika.
ini nopfanganyi waini nori ndinesa rani wanedza
No, muntu ane ashuma na driver ti. Vamwe vafumakadzi vangange ashu vanese ti. So ndazima uri mini kamuse vava vavothe.
mara waini kwaziva zvavanhu sibhadhela iso ndizokumburela kudhokotera This umbrella mudokotela. Chibadela is so big.
Why is that?
Yeah, it's wrong.
Gemini in the phone next week.
Mm.
Oh, also I saw something. Oh, actually, before check something. Back to MR21. So now they're adding something onto the sponsorship.
Okay.
To our lucky viewers, all the time. They always think of you guys. So each and every month, they're going to be giving away 1,000 grocery voucher. Yeah, but then they're going to be giving away. I think it will depend on how we roll out the competition. Or so like, so yeah, guys, just be on the lookout all the time. New one episode you never know competition you're near the amba guy so they're gonna be giving away 1,000 round voucher.
That's nice. Every month.
For 12 months.
So every month then we are announcing Rowena. Wow.
Grocery.
Oof.
Guys,
It's just a voucher.
I think they still need to decide on the shop or a guy mara. So we'll see. But then yeah, so obvious because 1,000 is gonna ring. Really?
Pick and Pay is expensive now.
Oh yeah, even Checkers is less expensive compared to Pick and Pay.
Checkers is very affordable.
Yeah.
So it's guy.
Hangi.
What is it?
Cape Town.
Oh,
That's when I ran off Kado cheaper, yeah.
you know, champagne tasting in January. Ndoya. Anyways,
I didn't know.
in Paul, in Cape Town. Ndoita taro ngorintia 80 rand. Champagne tasting.
Like man, and there's
Dude.
original.
No, it's good wine. Remember the
Yeah, it's the home of grapes.
Exactly.
Yeah, so I just wanted to let you know of that, guys. You know what new joining game, but what with a sponsor, pana grocery. The
Guys, so grocery utongosa join.
Repushe. Oh, so back to that thing at Venda could be a country very soon. So although it's not Venda, Gianni, now they've partnered to, where's that thing? So a joint venture between Siandani Tribal Authority and Bombo Investment Group. So launch of FY Siandani International Airport in Siandani Village outside Gianni, Limpopo on Friday. So last week Friday,
Airport.
launch one.
Airport. What happened to our airport? 11.
I think it just got neglected. Because apparently
You don't neglect to as a taxi rental.
yeah.
In a hotel, you could visual right or something else. You score a fire and the right.
Oh, did the office park up a little bit? The numbers repair.
Demolish.
No, they don't have to. Remember to check what if your fade is not or your
Fade
fade
Uber a certain thing.
Wada wait yes taxi.
Marenga wada
watu batoshuma and that's it. So
ooh, spoken like a true engineer.
yeah, I am. I think I've been thinking about it the whole time. Or while and twist it doesn't require much weight on it. So.
I already know ibona ngangomu hayo ground floor ne.
Inino ibona nkuita ni maginya taxi rank.
Yo.
Is that true?
Taxi rank aishumi watu
You're funny. Why did I go
like watu go for cheno ba do fare inini kuya ni.
If you drive past that taxi rank, you will see no, it's a mess. Like
I think you're under a message.
You're not a mess ngori aiko shumiswa yotsuka na mi. Asuri imesse because Opatu a mess. Nah, I doubt. That's not the case.
Marandi Queen, but whoever want to put a photo shoot.
Oh, yeah. There's that. So, for this thing, you got the creator about 500 jobs. Phase 1, just phase 1, because it's like 5 phases, airport here one.
Oh, nice.
That goes yeah, it really. Do you like that job?
I think it comes with a lot of smiling. And it comes with a lot of
faking.
Yeah.
So
pretendence, not your content every day. I love people, but like
every day. So if by next year, somewhere around June, they'll be operational. That's their plan.
Oh, going home is gonna be so easy but expensive.
I feel like no, we should do something about our own also. You'll have one. like tazi ndoenda kuna imwe documentary uchikomba ke live vanopfi uvaona zikholomo nikokiva so you need to call someone to clear the cows first inisa to lenda
ndiyofuna yamulisa nikokiva so you have a whole plane and then ngoti yoti vanafuna yamulisa
that's what happens. Also, I'm sure vakuchimisa zvimosquito, not the actual planes.
It doesn't matter, but if I can afford that, when ndichinga vanafuna namba dzamulisa.
Hemuna iwaniko okay, lenda mpulukwane ni ready.
Kana rutolenda nthakolomo.
Tell antu ichifa. You should watch a crash investigation. Aeroplane ichi. Ela so ni fezwe easy Kailand. Which is I think I've watched almost anyway in a aeroplane yanga wangai. I know that of ndodzura so ndabona liver and la rwanjin. I know we could die.
Ndolibonza rodzura wangu.
Kapapa lat.
Ni kwamba nodzura uri nalibona liko rwa papa. La rwa papa ringalova.
Ulova easy ka helicopter yo ka aeroplane like anything man. Maginyani kweta ntuka what was that course? Which kambo anga Concord uriyo wisani.
Oboitiani ini nbudze.
I think no Concord is only go mix a story mara kan is only boy and Concord mara just a strip ti yaka the prior aeroplane yowa yawela ka runway ya no yene yatuwa mara zisi affected chit then the plane yawe kotebera yasuka yakandela ntu chela la tutuba and iko teo tapo
yikanda ke
Karanway
Karanway
hela ye wisa chikadwa Karanway ichi kugidim and then he took off and then the following one yasuka yakanda that metal strip
so yo crash fast ikadidova
no tell lot to bypass mara remember ika manda zvinorikota kuwa so they have to take off no matter what
yamudi crash iya nepa matomoni
somewhere nepa tila ntichitu batera liko rwadzinji
you know and funny enough remember ndari kuti yotuwa Mudau changa Monday
what happened to you guys actually
you cancel your flights because you were in a uchikofi una something kaya ila flight chine chobva chikomisa and chikotowana ka airlink and airlink ivulanga 6 ya mashoro so they had to book us another flight so that one was cancelled and then but vanokuyange vabvisiwa because remember we were supposed to take a connecting flight from here to Kenya then to Dar es Salaam yapezeba direct like ningoreifa ikobvuma achitoka nemagotiation ichikorefiwa
you need engineers for that man because I feel like reneglect us to zvinji unena sokufura nendo rari so they the one okay say matera ango obombiwa mara basi even that right and then limwe lando libombesa zambo lato wana kupini anything can happen linga best so
yeah no that's
I feel like with the airplane but they were cautious all the time
and I feel like nezo the airplane ninga it wasn't that big but because the airplane
and the international footy
true
so it can fall anywhere ninga swa fio wera Botswana the president
as much as ntuni
so
izuro ka accidents are airplane but it's the most safest mode of transport in the world.
I say if it over first
it's the most safest accident urova mutu ratio yorova mutu nga airplane it's negligible
mara hapo ndimsinichikopanga the science ya ori ina watu abezvino arova say fimini
mara mngana accident za mabasi ndingana pano rono vana crash ngana think about it
zona ndiko pano ari tuvanadzo ti but then if you have to
mara accident ndingana zvinorodzwa so
ngori dzigoredzo dara pasi nami mara utovorivoyi
that's why we're saying it's the safest way arikori
elazvo is always 50-50 no I don't believe in 30-70-61 it's always 50-50 kachimwe na chimwe
I don't think so I think it's the safest way still
okay aranikoraro all the best inchi fly
I think it's the safest way still cause uriniphenga
ndiritonga tutuntu ti ndiri people will praise tutuntu like in a way okay in as much ngozvipana zvinako face nakuita you think it's not safe hela ntu you can do anything remember accident dzikosa chinhu zvingangori congested petu so tutuntu yakunofira petu fast which is what I always do also when I'm driving ne if I congested ndinganamara ipanga ka 160 uri ndifire ndiye unenda vamini ndi free ndindote at least ndopungudza chance chototulwanga mumwe mutu mumwe mutu tena
lawo guys are we really going to compare
no ndikamba ngatutuntu uri also
kamba ngatutuntu
mara tutuntu isera ichiyowa remember ndavula betune there's no chance apa so with cars jete na dichila mlenje wavunda na barafu mara
hi you know why my
you know listen to what I'm trying to say goloi ninga accident ingaitea ungaitea dza 10 accident dzothe dzofara vhathu va 10 alo vhathu va 10 zamoro is like 10% yo lova ti katutuntu yawa you know you're gone havela vitu zvi easy because the common thing ngochimira ma 360 ngori vanga vadzikanda zasvikapo.
So what's your chat? Uri nikolova ni not it's safer. What are you saying?
It's not safe ndo ambela zofira nantu uri nikofira na mini na va safe not mara nichilova. So the chat I'm trying to say ndio if an aeroplane unena lova hone you know you're gone. So that's something has to real to is safe go to that extent.
Nanga tutuntu nena one you're gone.
That's what I'm saying. Uri tutuntu ndikoive ka level ntina mini na aeroplane. Uri nichilova nikolotuwa zvakuma. Okay, uchive next day nikolova mara gore
ende aunofi kamzi gore yoto rolla na vhuleliwa nabva. Hapala usually na rolla mulenje kwangi imini chayengiwa.
Toya to wana gondolo. There's that thing cause apparently gondolo yato ri lichiko dzito ndintukula mukulo yawe chaya zva so.
Why do people do that?
Because
when kukaidza masindi urenga imwe. Why?
Because oifuna sifana ini ngofuna uchimisa aeroplane because you're not going to drive 18 hours to Cape Town kana
uyanstressa ula mzadzi. Uyanstressa because why?
Kibuphilo so hi kai the Venda na return. Mara unayo wow Venda mara. Remember? There's a time where I lay our aeroplane. I think it was months back. I found Vumbi.
Mara zo confirm was or those were just like no ivona.
Or confirm I mean uriyo waka na uri.
No shifwa mwe tuka para anyway kana it was just that Facebook thing. Because if really your wa Venda it should be big. I say all the time. It's
if usongoloba mtu.
But still, it should be reported properly if it's a real thing. Then people know was go watch the picture. You know those vendor pages zila zamapungo.
What is it?
Zina go post was you to have akana go post we no have you when guy chidimbi. Na rozo as South Africa people.
No,
like it's false report.
Because adembwa na vatu vane vavaone ne palori
ndo. Nandi ndingangwara. I mean, what do you mean ndamba na vatu? Nandi ndingasukanda ngwaro rao na tanganeza ari na nyinyi.
Hayi bana niko ndo chwani kushimisana. Ana na maginya nabo naniwe. But then
atu dibi ende abe.
Oh, did you see the maginya abeni mansa ko far and vatu complain na
gozi. And then kumumva na musi because the door is closed.
Oh, ndo mama hizi.
Wait, Iman, not mama you ula ne awiti ntu.
Unenda mandiku
Umo dijia eko eta posho. Nachunga chen hola wera utsimisa mkona.
Hayi fumu chuwanga we.
So ntu. Afimi rotore kato rinsonga chamba. Did you see the post ya me?
Yeah, I read it nganda. You also it was true.
What do you mean nganda ina ngumu?
Dodo. Like
the way you said
like, donation about a heartbreak. I was like, alright, cool.
Yeah. It's fun and then so I haven't read it. I mean, on Friday night I got all three of my cameras Canon DSLR, including 5 lenses stolen. My HP, my IP, okay, my laptop, i7, including Rode mic, the Rodecaster. What's on Rodecaster? My Rode wireless. Okay, also is Zote. Or go there, wait a minute, you Jamie. And then they walked away with 3 bags full of equipment.
Donation. So now they're coming for her.
Yeah, why? Okay, I know
more
why.
More content, yeah. You would now Venda was stingy.
But then, what does that have to do with what she just lost?
It has to do now with the donation cover was stingy now.
But then remember, she's a content creator. Too. She's gonna say almost every.
But that doesn't mean you guys are gonna receive it well. It doesn't mean you guys are gonna receive it well.
The same way people don't receive our things well. See,
itonga any like issue ya soul na Kespa. Just because Honorable was Kespa, it doesn't mean he should smile. Actually, they've said shit about him. So, like, okay, even if you do something bad to me, you don't decide how I react. It's not up to
you. Yeah,
me.
that's true.
You get it. So when I say, because I'm a content creator, I say what I say. Depending on opinion, I mean, but he has a right to be mad. He has every right.
And I have every right to say whatever I want. I'm
True.
a podcaster, yeah.
So now what when I go to donate, I right to donate, but not to donate, but to donate simple.
Man, I feel like even if I was going to comment, I don't think they want to donate. But on Facebook, they never.
Still, maravana anger. If over, okay, imagine Karabo Miss P and I shoot. aṅwala uri ndo xedza mini ndi kuombela thuso, do you think she would get the same energy? No.
Angasi donate but vha ḓo ḓi tou fhumula.
Kana vha topini, oh my god, we're so sorry, vha ḓo share.
So.
Yo, help her out, guys. You know, it would have been received
But then
different.
while she lying nga vhanna vha Venda, you should know maybe. Yeah, the cluboni, you see these things. While she lying? Let's ask that question now.
I think it's all men in general. Ati bono ndi vha Venda base.
Oh, so she was right, eh?
Ndi vhanna vhoṱhe, ni stingy no tebeo. Okay, I don't think all men are stingy.
No,
Let me rephrase.
Remember, if it's like that thing, you're all men can rape. All men rape, actually. So the majority, zviita,
Ndikunyanga ndafunda referisa uri. Asuri all men are stingy. I just think vamwe avana zvabukuma. Vamwe they just don't like you like that. You know?
Yeah.
Kana ako nibona club. There's a guy that's gonna meet you at the club and irengera now. As he sure what's gonna happen to you, like him back or whatever.
Yeah.
Habana ani ako nisadza bono it's not worth it. Unirengera. So
yeah, I get you.
it's just like when a girl decides to give it up, you choose.
Oh, you guys decide. Not already.
Actually, it's funny how
It's
funny how women actually like you first.
This is a clean episode, guys.
Women actually like you first.
Oh, that's true.
Women want you first. So you shouldn't
Always.
ever feel like, ndomu fura, ndomu ita mini. No, I actually wanted you first and I probably gave you the eyes don't only then approach. It's a woman will never be with a person she doesn't want to be with.
Yeah.
For different reasons. No, yes, meaning she wanted him for the money, so she wanted him, right? So wanted is still in the same sentence. That's still. So women will never be with a person and hakunyangubanai. So that's why I did this with who. My boy, no, only way actually.
Hey. You only went to both sides. I don't know if you mean.
No, Mara, I'm just saying because also
hey, as when is one. Dr. Mango attend.
As you're blind.
Hey.
And wait a sheet. And
why did you go down the blind go no,
but men do that.
Which men?
Zikawash. They're talking about how many women they've been with.
No one
okay, ndile maguru guy. Ndibige maguru ngastofu changa. Ujene tunzi.
Ndorenga pressure ku kana bika zvanzwa ba right.
Still doita tunzi.
Zvino zvinotoenda vana na mimi.
Hai. Mara nabo why vakwamanga vazana.
Cause vo prefer any topic ngachavanna.
It's okay, nothing to prefer maguru akawashi ngore udipa one.
Mara zvino banika mapungo avanna.
Okay, zvambu ndione. Ini banika mapungo a German.
Ndodanda kudziwa na kunesa.
Ndotopfa ndodzura.
Ndopfa ngodanda kudziwa. That's what I'm saying. Ini ngodafunesa mapungo.
Ini norola ndinese and asongonibudza. Zvama ndofunesa mapungo.
Mara ndotozvibona.
Andingozvibona nobona akodowela bonese.
Ini ngodoskanari iso.
Ini nobona odowela. Akodoskanari. They just speak about women and you know that.
Nah.
Men speak
what
about
do you mean
women.
I know that?
Men speak about women like that.
Nah, I mean, I think it's utobana group dzavatu.
Exactly.
I don't think all men do that. In as much as
I
majority
feel like in every tribe, baone. So ndikasi Venda men per se.
Yeah,
because ndika tribe ngonayo.
Yeah.
Naka mazulu baone vazvichera.
And then also which kwamba so vat vachikotomo utantu no ndinwena kunyaga wena nkoruzereri dzinga mini zvinomonyaka tusokare neti. It got me thinking of the situation ya Fienyi. Ya Sineti. Remember how she was dragged also on Facebook this other time opposite zvinepe zvaweti. And then mutona andikamba naye ambudza something so profound.
I just remembered something.
Ambudza something so profound uri isn't it funny how people uri Sineti uko bully wati on Facebook ti and then the reaction yayo kuti vaita ndobulla mutu back, so doesn't that make you the same the same guys navala kuti vane vakubulla Sineti also rokeri yafana. Okay, for example Tambe ako defender Sineti and the way he was defending her ndinira ine akokwera kuti murawa avala nevantu. So then I was like zvambori roteri yafana apa petu auno femini mean so chimwe chinda
that's when there is a Pinterest comment.
Exactly, sometimes you utopumula and also enemy Sineti na uzotopumula kana dipindura mara as long as avasokore mean mara na she was bullying back of which I understand imuna mapungo
mara reaction, you don't choose uri mutu ari.
Yeah, mara rine the third parties, why are we then getting involved in a way then you're like you are the same people then.
Yeah, I remember that's how you're seeing it now. Mara bachikomubona ako run as a comment za 100 about her boobs.
then
they feel
fine.
like they need to support her.
You can support her. Here's the thing,
nazosfanana miniti zvine inakuhamba nichiri zvitowani kuri rirwe softly zvitowani kuri mutu adani anisema ngamiano inari harichi. That's what you want us to do.
No, ndizvezvinele utovori hapalani zvinhu kasineti I was like it's fine iti ndiri muna mapungu mara veiwe nichikosapota find other ways ningakona mbori why kutojeniswa sinete zvaso why kujenisa vababy kasi situation yaso not uri ininiye.
How would you prefer uri varwe vachikomurwera?
That's what I'm trying to explain now zvino ngonyedoanairand
No,
so ndikambori okay ari chimuse example yenamba yavababy ti ngodanari mianga mini ti ndakwata ndanisema ndari mianu mini maginya achijena songodari mianu mini 9 kani budzori why nikokorera mutu ngavababy zvaso zviperise zvezvo namini not uri nitomomutayira namini.
Apa we are dealing with grown up people ari kodila namwana nikomona amwana
now it's a good thing fact that you are grown up should be able to tell us uri naini wonto reason oribo ningasitokorera mutu anokokorera mutu
mara nikomanga mutu anokorawo. Okay, let me give you an example, right? A practical example.
Okay, let me tell you what I was trying to say. Okay. The whole thing theory. Why niko yakuita udefender bullying ngabullying? That's what I'm trying to say.
I get what you're saying. I get where you're coming from. But then niko hangwa uri there's emotion in this whole thing, right? And the batu banji bano comment and ningaono the batu bane what the word seen it they are feeling for her. Do you understand what I'm saying? What I was trying to say niko mangangwan. Ndina ku nephew kwanga ndikutuku is 3, right? If amba something ngamia mwende ngasuka kaenderi Ali, you don't say that. That's not how you do this. He's a baby. He listens. So I'm dealing with the adult that knows, or if you say something about my mom, it's bad. I can't come to you and say, Tanga, that's wrong. Tanga, you don't step on that.
No, that's not wrong.
Okay,
Like,
that's give me a line you would use.
Why kushumusa wa baby? Simple as that.
I don't think you've seen the bullying that's there. I don't think you've seen.
I saw the whole thing.
Why so? Is that what you're gonna say?
Yeah,
why
so?
You think that's fighting enough?
Yeah.
Neti, for as much as I'm against bullying, right? No, Mara.
Here's another thing I would also. It's funny how Renesto Ronoko defender Sinet. Rekodo mu defender in public na mean so requitant unori there's probably other things that we do actually mundu wala mtotambori nena inisora ringakona sora Senate for example but in the fact you're maginyo swika zviamba za Senate now we're like rekote mu defender zvino so uri vatu va hide behind their faces na mini na posts na mini mara izvi zvichibva vanyangori ndiri nedzi hero na mini so vatu vanokochingera murao vatu vano kozona zdzana vanji vakambori nedambu langa loi mamini alingela Senate. Then I was like okay that's very wrong mara white ambia kuti yosvika atoda zvinepe zvolamwana azvigoda zvakare and then he's like no ininoitisa like munhu
invested
so much time for those
ndikonibva zvothe zviri wrong. The whole thing is actually wrong.
Which is,
if we are being
that was
honest.
my point.
Nendikotenda mara ndadafunda umera kuri kenile zvendamba you don't determine how I react because chipinga chinji nene ndingaona uri kamsi ndisongomudhowera ngoraro mara ndichizvivala zvatriggera something else. Do you understand? People come from bullying. People have been bullied in so many ways and avangokona voice out. So that's just them projecting. Ndingaona uri ndichivona I'm like what? I would expect people to react a certain way. So anyone which doesn't make it right. It's true. But in the society that we're living in, with the social media that we have, with the bullying in TikTok, Facebook, now I'm giving people the permission to fight back. Because
I'm not giving you because
we're
not going anywhere as a society.
Because keep quiet na ini.
No, decide okora. Then Senate can see that I am correct. But the uzongo jena.
Personally, I'm related to Senate. If I could fight, I was gonna fight for her. I don't know how to fight.
I get you.
Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I'm like, go ahead.
Because people, it's always people
are full of
they
shit.
do their worst.
Do you understand? Una mwana ka TikTok oroba wa mobili or commit a suicide because of the bad comments on TikTok.
Yeah.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Mara something like that.
Already over akotiorwa na comments za 1000 zori you are fat, you are ugly. Usina mtu namtia ana koda amuimerera and make her feel better. Do you understand how hard that is? No, I don't think we should fight soft if someone is fighting hard.
No, we can always fight soft, guys, and it's not like we always have to fight in a way. Always talk like in a way.
But people are mean.
And then the thing is, okay,
I feel like all mutu okoedu anga shadobe.
Oh, this apanda because then the demand got much kuita miti and I feel like in Bora okay kushimsa time where is one person I know time ba kukwela abantu vanile vangana vaona mini it's fine then adivana vangati vane avakorera ngoto vona post zavo zakarela post then I'm like okay this is what you do bra now zvikuitwa sinete now zviboni vaisa ni mwenyango retaliate kavala vamwe vati then I'm like society aonene okay aone so
True.
so hey
Yeah,
but
yo,
then
guys,
that's so bullying
I just think social media. Dude, nendito bearwa nanga the other page I don't want to talk about it. Now ndabona like wambwa mutu aninda mudiva. I can't even go there and apindula because I'm like maybe ndendia umbureza. The first thing I think of is what if my comment leads someone to depression? What if my comment leads someone to suicide? I don't want to be that person or not even that far. What if my comment ruins your day? Like why would I want to ruin someone's day? I don't know. I guess we are Christian like that. Not everyone thinks like that. So because conscious shouldn't allow you to take your phone and type such stuff about someone. Do you understand? So it's pretty bad. I wanted us to talk about quickly. Oh my word!
No, you can.
We're running out of time. Ela to Roy Sendaka group. Your Father's Day and your Mother's Day. So the question was, do you think?
I think.
Zvikoro zviti celebrate her Mother's Day and Father's Day na because unavana vasina baby, and then I was like,
so I think though it and I have two standpoints with that thing. Unela party ne you're like netina baby. Okay, tina ba baby at all. We go celebrate Mother's Day. They are the taka oh okay. Uko chirisho so and then kofonga rebo I belong. When comes to mdidezi anga dwa kode ambori. You can take me as your mom, do this and this na me. So it's nice. You go to nani when you do memories with your mom, but then we are palani ori which bottom ngora ma rip or ngora ni mianu rip. I think in your am try it becomes a problem there because everyone is busy there right nori. Because I think I've seen it also with my little brother.
Yeah, but we
are not then I'm like, so if in this na mu baby ayani, what then happens? Because it's Mother's Day. I don't guardian. I mean, so that's why I'm saying I have like two state points in that term in terms of that thing.
So I think I see what they are guardian, but most of them are not guardian, right? Whether in an orphanage, there's a person that feeds you. That's your mother, basically. Even though it's a baby one. But then now, the issue yamusi Richiko would destroy such a beautiful concept. Because at the end of the day, back at the one Mother's Day, children, it exists.
Yeah, true.
You know, and the sooner we build them, the better. We can now cancel Mother's Day, right? Or baby, I better appreciate me because baby. Because yes, they've got mothers, but they come from single homes, so they do celebrate Mother's Day. Una Valentine's, they're talking about love. They don't know love because they don't come from a two-parent household. So are we going to cancel that as well? How at what point like do we say this is it? Because like, the world is just how it is, and whether we like it or not, protect her to a certain point.
Of which I think that's what we should do.
It's character building.
I don't think character build at such a young age because the last obvious I was going to have grade 4.
I build you build one, that's when you're fucked.
Grade 4 and grade 1. Those things are grade 1, grade
that's when you know. That's when you appreciate women. We had parents, I had favorite teachers, do you understand? Grade 1. Every Mother's Day, I even knew her birthday. I used to write letters. So stuff like that. So now we are going to be limited. You are basically building kids with nonchalant. You are saying, yes, the Mother's Day, Mara, let's act like it's not.
Yeah, also, why is it I feel like that's another thing.
I know every holiday because of school. I know every holiday when I went to Dibangato because of school. But then Mother's Day is a holiday because it's a thing in mara chingwana
itonga okay ainge Easter mara itonga Easter isoko chincha ingadeva any day
atiko hana mngana mara here's my chat mwana uhayani chipping awarangana uchikolo chipping awarangana nichisuka yani nduto change your mom is probably not back in 9 years divana chisuka na unosina muntu you are seeing your mom later on boneta bako bigger it's chai so basically so
yeah, that's true.
Do you get what
even
I'm saying?
Now,
so ringasiri aritomelate, yes. Ringasiri aritomelate. We started school. So ndiko faces or baby and all that. But now nabare nabos you know bako to celebrate less because unabasina.
No, they shouldn't stop celebrating. They should
no,
tingore ayan. Like they should celebrate hanepo chikolo nti azviitwe zvithu zvacho zvisongodwa zvithu zvine it's a big thing because le zvithu zvine you see Valentine nokuti vana vadhe vamara red and white zvithu zvaso salient already yonopanga mwana zvizori nezvithu zvine zvakutodo atinazvo ndikosokocelebrate vamwe like I'm helping you guys celebrate what you have when I don't have it. So we might as well just say okay is this a certain number of students learners learners students so like okay regoita avonone vana vaita so nendorali so zvambori it's just gonna be a thing where okay ndikoicelebrate nepa zvapera ndichisvika yani vanga vana vakocherisha the moment which is what I feel like ukodhirofi mwana nivuripi amubaby nimvekazvo so and then vengosvika navasubmit manritova dhuva lothe now you know
Mother's Day. Kids only write halama ripi and they usually vangwada before yes. So what do you mean though? I bet you guys are saying it like utobe was stage abe mu baby ozo yakachidura
kasof. No, inani konfe apa vetu uneza zvaitiwa ti it's like utomzofi Sunday do Mother's Day ti itani maripi ndo anokutola zvimwe zvikolo zvaingo pamwe anokutola zvofi vamwari vaite vambarikula kutonga kwa AIDS ti utobori ndoshimisa example ya Valentine because it makes so much sense because ngotedana mara red and white aunofinda mara chiro 20 fades so apana nokula kuti if I have the fuck opiwa then you know okay now ndo nambara chine achiko represent non represent atina so zvaone atina product yechi chinda chambara pano so I just feel like aba zviite mara let it be less bra.
Look at the educators You're still not telling me Rico about Mohan. You're still not telling me how is it.
Look at the educators on TikTok, you know. Those people, I get it about the content I mean. But I can actually tell chunga kweta suria and when what vane wako push that narrative here okay zvino bewe ndidva lavo men then panda nyambori miano bonitela miswa so unati vane unasiko ngavchita yento the concept your then panda nyambori miano mini then panda miano jamu ichishika kanne now I just have to like think of okay ndika great I probably don't even know anything about them.
You know what I'm saying T? I feel like rekosedza roses zabana page baby vane vakutodo appreciate wanavo do you know it means a lot
to like when I on side my side no consider that
and this is why nando jena liva T primary school we used to celebrate everything. Africa Day you actually celebrate you even though we had Indians. Do you get what I'm saying? We would celebrate that thing. We would do all the dances and whatever. Are we now going to say... I don't remember, but it used to be a vibe. Do you get it? Valentine's Day was a huge thing. You were buying each other roses. How do you want to stage? You could pay for me. That's how big it was. And then Mother's Day, we had Africa Day, we had Freedom Day. We used to celebrate all these other holidays. And I feel like it really contributed a lot to how we see things. And then go for it. Come baby, ane odzura hayani zvino mwana wawe hako kuno express fully because they are not taught like that. Yopungudziwa, do you understand?
And it's not part of the curriculum. So I think una is to also.
Okay, does it mean uchiyo bana what's the youth day rinero luza ubangana bache vashwa isingo celebrate? What are you saying? How many things are we going to cut? Because we should be youth day, we should be free or whatever. When I see those things, I want to see the friends I lost.
Grade 1, not grade 4. Grade 4, you know.
Grade 4, okay, but I want to lose our grade 4. Which if Children's Day, Family Day, there are kids with no family. Are we cutting Family Day off as well?
Obviously,
Chikaba we had a Family Day.
Oh, you thought about baby?
How should we do it? Family Fun Day.
Oh, yeah.
You remember it?
Yeah.
So I'm just saying, okay, jambo roko dofin usongo chafina baby cover dash koronga dua lo daba baby because una baby asina una mwana asina baby achado. So no why would replace ngwa ili guardian?
Wafa ninga assistant initial no shimisa example yantu ya mwana wa four guy wa children's home ti probably wala mtu tungwa ramboni some baby wao umbona sa mtu anokumutserereza mini mara not some baby at all.
And that's where the problem is. Because a parent is not a person that gave birth to you, but it's a person that's making sure you are who you are right now.
Hey, there's a parent and then there's a mother. Those are two different things.
True, I get it. Replace.
And I love the fact you're Roshimiswa also not Father's Day because I feel like
they're never there.
Well, with Mother's Day, there's just something about Father's the mother, man. Like
there's something about a mother that's very special.
Exactly.
And I feel like
which is what don't traumatize that Tony goes, oh, everyone is like they're writing for their mother. And the Indian I'm trying not like 7 or like 7 years old.
I don't know, man. I think I confess, but it's fine.
Nani anikomfesesa apha
Nandiko nipfa uri ini nikori asi mubaby wawe zvabukuma. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Mara something else nje.
Ndikotenda mara una vane hangovi avhuwa amudiva mme wawe, you get it. Ndikotobhoriwa ngori now ichiri Mother's Day. Why are we limited kori? It's first of all, it's not even about us. It's about the mothers. So baby,
which we don't have.
Exactly. Mara barenabo.
Then cover it nabo, but then on the songo zvoitwa zvitonga part ya curriculum. That's the thing. Avala vedu kuona of izotonga ndi part ya curriculum in ro those okay, it's not go to amba ngaba babe mini. Like
I just feel like the stronger we build these kids, the better. Because Baka did the challenge.
I know, challenges. That's what I'm challenge in that grade 4. I mean, we are it's fine. You can take
them.
Anyone Mara nika grade ara. Niche mtuku like anina mumro digest stuff too. Zine zawa ziso uri okay. Hokungwera mbibi neti na like so like someone traumatized someone ache mtuku like I know trauma no feel age mean. Mara it like grade 1 I mean. No ways. Auna
difference ka trauma grade 4 na grade 1.
Mara no ihone ni azvifona zvinento zvotoni damage obva kutukuni so zvambori like
so okay
no zvangela zvofi ngozvona mini lazvinya vana vakurape wava vatuku ti and then adhiva kuna mtu murane o rape what is trauma that the ihone ti mara imagine now you have to go through this whole thing, this whole life nina hola mumbuloini mwana achikoloni futi
wananity. So let's say we miss Mother's Day ushkira grade 4 arto rari ituma grade 5 ndione ini ndani kuzhumbura zvanamme ka grade 5.
But at least you are a bit old enough to say okay
which is worse.
You are able to say mutu waroba watua, but then a grade 4 like
still zvidobaba mngana
zvidobaba mara you are able to take it uria mutu waroba zvaitena mimi na zvino so ndarovera ngambibhi zvidombava mara I'm like yeah, at least ndonozvivona uri okay but vakudirova and people die in different ways ngadvana vorova vakurwara so like oh okay echishvinga nikagrade 1 usokofumia avawo ini chimwe chote
ndo mngana ti ningasiyirwe because apa ende rineber kodila na mbaby orova upezi ukadhivana vababy vane vaone nduni but they don't act like mothers. It's a different type of argument. Maginya, what do you think? Gomba 1 minute. Ambe first.
So I think mwana namsi achika age ya uba mtu mtoko. Katendeliwa iwe exposed to everything that can happen in life.
True.
Asongo tofi rikotiwa mu expose aona baka grade guy because they must learn to live with it, to live with the fact that hanaba baby from whatever the age, because sometimes udzumbera mutu chitu asara chibozwa nusa late and rina bathu bane ndibalwani bakonuzi understand ori homtu risongo mu expose to this thing chori not miawe kamfe amna mme namsi hayani achidzura na mane wawe mia ubono
exactly
so already bana baba bono protectiwa so risongo celebrate Mother's Day utira uri hoyu ngori anamme kana hoyu anamini
I celebrate just not chikoloni
wewe anikopfesesa uri shango litova unfair alone line ukadhiova novhura chikafu china mwana paloni mwana chidhamba.
No, here's the thing, it's fun now.
You can't run away from the traumas of life. You can't.
That mara we never want to change these things because it could change it. Mara niko hana uchibana change.
I'm just saying the sooner they know the better. That's my chat. Nga uri na rine ralua mwako vura Russian ya OBC mweni kuibono India escort.
In Afkada, yeah.
Do you get what I'm saying? Yeah. And it makes you who you are. So the sooner you understand. And then the forest was unfair. Already bana bani baby boboroba maraba koredi wangabo mani what Maginya is saying. I tore aponga asimiawe. Yes, ndizone bangasimba replace. Mara, she's also doing what the mother should have been doing. And then now she deserves a card dear Mother's Day. She deserves it. No, Mara, okay, she's paying your fees. Woni regular whatever.
As long as
so you would never cheat.
I would appreciate you Mara.
That's what I'm saying.
Mara Tony anga uko right or me ndada ndikumwera mianga zvino
Tony azvirotere na something you can't take it away
ndiko zvifa mara now I want that thing or man Maginya.
No, here's the simple question. If today you find elder people coming to you and saying Kingsley runama pumwana rakudeni uza on
ora asimianga
babona asimiamu
yeah
imane wanu miamu or vanina age, how would you feel?
That's obvious. Now ndiko tomorrow or okay me anga baba guy. Mara at this stage ndira kwamba ngaizvi. Ndiyapela uri you know okay me and aba over. That's when kambori nikongwera mtu ani adzozori haho. Not nikozura na garden and I assume that this is my mom or what.
I just think kids should be trained cause ila ntuti aiperi. Like
I know
hey,
you know
you start niche mtuku and
let's protect the kids.
Mungana ngondi auriti taidzi muna dzozena tangana zoringana mumburo wanzoringana age yabo habe pala petu is not like baby but deziba kusvika vaima vataruchisa chimwe speech chirafu no draw your mom zvitoma crash you draw a family.
Maybe we should know
so are we now going to cancel uri vana vasingocha draw a family hezvila zviitwa crash imwe naimwe you have to draw people that stay in your house. Are we now going to cancel it urona vana vanodzura orphanage
ukododhora vane vadzura uzamukutodhora book yadhara ngori orphanage vodhara hey that was wrong
exactly
mara
it's fine but it's reality
book yadhara because those are the people vane vadzura na
exactly
mara hapa noni zvinhu aukofi I get to baby na mini mara ukofi ngwela ni a mother we are confess or mother ndi mini zvakuma my mother is not just a guardian and you think they are there, they are doing everything for you. That's a guardian and uhona. That's why nakazi form chingonofi mother angonofi guardian nakona mbo okay ndi guardian parent one you're like okay
this is doing difference
no ndikoti amori zviumburiseni zvezvo nakai mwana nekutedzwa zori okay ndikongwela mubaby hapa no atongwela mubaby
nazvi ini ngodva parent yani heila yo putera mwana usvikira namuputera achisvika varsity vadomusomedza busa you need to train that kid must go through everything that the kid needs to go through.
They will mar not nendorova hasati chibopfi hey kotsi yanu mini vamwaleleni ndi hapa noni malume wanu. Then I'm like guy just don't think.
Maginya you were saying?
I was saying that unazi standards is in society yonozura yo zvive yati. So arokofia redraw a family.
That's a question I asked Wafa. No, random was a question zvinoti uri nikambe zoro una standards zinozoveva society and all that. Why are we never willing to change these things?
Because they're fine.
Those are the things that builds us as people.
We are fine.
We don't need to be building a pain just because uri ndizvonondove one tradition and all that.
But we are doing well.
Nah, not everyone is doing well.
Kingsley, no one chidiva zori family ivana kotsi na mume na bana right. So when you draw that stays in your mind uri nichaulu wanisonga soko valimwe lihojoko jadinena dovani na vafumagazi vathe
nah when go shimse examples like next example yangu ndote nobuza even nikotoma manga ndari even let's not even put fathers, let's use a mother ndapo nenda kwa hanori we can't just
you know what my chat is ne I'm going to say this nabando peds
yeah
I also personally who celebrate both Mother's Day and Father's Day. Utobora ari kuyamba mara nayo celebrate.
Father's Day ndeni?
Ndia July.
Oh.
Maybe Mother's Day, Father's Day in July.
Sunday pera. Cause it your Mother's Day.
Adziteberera.
That's the
different months. You see? Exactly. Like what I'm saying is nendo bandichi celebrate ati. Even though I know my dad was not in the house. But I celebrated it through my granddad. Because he is basically my guardian. At that point. So it helped me. And you know where it shaped me? Up until the day he died, I knew I don't miss Father's Day. I don't miss his birthday. I'm buying all these things. Because I play a role. So can I play my part? Because now if we're going to make kids feel like the only person who's your mother is a person that gave birth to you, that's fucked up.
Well, it's not fucked up to me. That's your only mother, trust me.
It's your only mother.
The rest are just their parents.
How many articles are you seeing? Wow. Mara, you want that kid to believe that's not your real mother.
Those are two different things.
It's not different.
That's one thing you're not getting. It's fine.
Now, wholeheartedly. Mara, you can't love them back because your mother died.
I'm going to love you back, Mara. Not the same way I'm going to love my own mother.
Yeah, Marabao.
That's what I'm going to
stick to grade 1 ina. Mungana. The reality of children. You need to open your eyes as a kid as well.
Why not just change? Why not anyhow.
Like honestly,
no, okay, just because you got your parents, we're like, okay, but then time podcast Rabi. But then I get it. Don't worry, in terms of mothers, I mean, Maravendo the party view them.
I don't know.
So do put
I think mothers are beautiful, they are special. Mara like also she don't have a conversation right here. We have a baby also. vane votoya vadzhia vana so ula n'wana oye adziwa na 7 now she can't celebrate that woman because avangomubhemba
Nico, these are examples dzine adzikomaker because I just told you
naye
the
oloveliwa
example I'm telling you
oloveliwa I saw orphanage
then emuna ndiswi zva different ezvo
as different
no what
as
feel
different
okay it's
how
fine.
is it different
Huh?
mie ovolova aisiwa orphanage ayadziwa nga vamwe mubebi ana 7 years
Zvikovia
so
zvirari
she
kama
can't
za
celebrate
orphanage.
that woman.
You can, but not the same way you would if it was your own mother voni bebaho.
So meaning I celebrate wotovori zvidobva kuri ini toni yanuna mini
azvitolichwa chikoloni that's my azvitolichwa chikoloni
anoona angakaviya na khadi guys I don't care
azvidobva kachikolo chinadomisa kacho
asoya zvafa that thing built us ini ndikotomangaranisa ndiviro miri ndiyarini nderoikrema because it was a
I don't remember
routine
doing it
I
even.
used to have badededzi ibile it's just that ndinasimbambedzini I remember how na vamwe ndika grade 2 vasina vana she never had kids she was from outside that woman vachimfuna ndichimamwaira uripi every Mother's Day and every birthday and I could see how much it means to her so I don't think we should cut it.
I think we should cut it. That's my view.
Guys, are ini team tanga iniite nisende tiki ya red ni team wafa nisende tiki ya green
Nekana nisende tiki I know either offer if you got to offer.
Ingasife.
But then
upload in a poll
Yeah.
to vote
urumene
upload in a poll but
Hey.
vote
yes I don't think we should die mothers are beautiful
Yeah,
and they deserve
so
to be
just to close in there.
celebrated.
so the close I and this podcast also this episode.
Not the closer.
Not closing.
Not a closer.
Oh,
Ari umise ni the difa.
closer yeah
yeah, so in closing of the episode, so just another announcement also. Hey,
Ene ndiyenza itu findi yenza itu zvinoitwa.
yeah, I
Ufita so. And I do it a lot.
think that's what I do. Not I do
Like so.
I just feel so relieved in it as well. So
Same.
like life is so good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I wanted to say, Ori, if ever,
Don't go do.
yeah, no, it happens. So if ever this is the last episode you're seeing me on, yeah, Black Hash Diaries.
Ever. Budzani vatungo.
No, it could be.
Don't give them that. No,
There's nothing to explain. Yeah, so if ever this is the last time you are seeing me on Black Hash Diaries, mara Venda yana for I need to rest, bro. Yeah, so but then don't worry. In terms of the guests in Dombona, the one called Dana shooter now made a Venda throughout, and then yeah, I think that's just an announcement I had to resemble that your so the person I'm considering at the moment in they were busy with the Women's Month edition now, so they could continue. So we could be here next week or that other week. I don't know when. Mara, she's probably coming to replace me. But then we went down phone and then one answer and togomere wapfana mina should right. So yeah.
Exactly. Clumsy as hell.
Yeah, that's one thing I know where I am.
I am as well. I'm worse.
So yeah, this episode was brought to you by MR21. We have a true respect, and then Panda Studios for this facility. Yeah.
No drama, hey? So dramatic.
Bye guys. I'll see
So
on the
dramatic.
next one. Bye.
Bye, guys.